Are you looking for the best carports? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best carports on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Jamfly 12 by 20 foot heavy-duty carport. Jamfly Carport 12 by 20 feet is a versatile portable garage perfect for your vehicles, boats, and outdoor events. With removable sidewalls and doors, you can customize it for various needs. The roll-up ventilation windows help with airflow and moisture control, while the sturdy steel frame and weatherproof canopy protect against all elements. Easy assembly without extra tools makes it convenient for quick setup by 2 to 3 adults. Enjoy the convenience of a spacious and durable carport for your storage or event needs. What we like: removable sidewalls and doors, heavy-duty rust-resistant steel frame, weatherproof canopy. Number 2. Benass 20 by 20 heavy-duty carport. The Benass heavy-duty carport is built to withstand all weather conditions. With a robust frame made of powder-coated steel and a galvanized steel roof, it offers superior protection for your vehicles. You can feel confident during storms, as it can endure winds of up to 120 miles per hour and heavy snowfall. The carport's waterproof design features overlapping roof panels and additional ceiling elements, ensuring that your property remains safe from rain and snow. Plus, with 8 anchor stakes included, you can easily secure it for long-term use. What we like: all-weather protection, heavy-duty construction, waterproof design, easy installation. Number 3. AirWire 12 feet by 20 feet portable garage. The AirWire portable carport offers a robust solution for protecting your vehicles from the elements. Constructed from durable polyethylene, it shields your car from rain and harmful UV rays. The heavy-duty metal poles ensure stability, while ground stakes and cables provide additional security. You will appreciate the 4 roll-up windows that enhance airflow, keeping the space well ventilated. The unique side-opening door allows for easy access and ventilation, making it convenient for everyday use. With ample space for various vehicles, this carport also serves well for outdoor events or gatherings. What we like: durable weather protection, excellent ventilation, easy access, quick installation. Number 4. Outsunny 10 foot by 20 foot heavy-duty carport. The Outsunny 10 foot by 20 foot heavy-duty carport is a great solution for those without a garage or outdoor shelter. Its spacious design allows for easy vehicle access, and the galvanized steel frame ensures durability for many seasons to come. The large canopy effectively shields your vehicle from light rain, wind, and dirt. Ground stakes and guy ropes are included for extra support and stability, and the steel feet provide a balanced base. What we like: spacious design for easy vehicle access, galvanized steel frame for durability, large canopy effectively shields vehicle from weather damage, ground stakes and guy ropes included for extra support and stability. Steel feet provide a balanced base. Number 5. Xilingol 12 by 20 foot metal carport. The Xilingol metal carport is designed to provide exceptional protection for your vehicles and equipment. Its unique galvanized frame offers superior resistance to rust and corrosion, ensuring durability over time. The frame's joints are reinforced through a special process that enhances stability and reduces bending, giving you peace of mind during harsh weather. With a waterproof roof, this carport shields your vehicles from sun, hail, and snow, making it ideal for all seasons. The spacious design accommodates larger vehicles, while the flatter roof improves wind resistance, extending its lifespan in windy areas. What we like: durable galvanized frame, enhanced stability and strength, all-weather protection, spacious for larger vehicles.